Big news, real protection is coming soon. If you want first access, hit the contact link and I'll put you at the front of the line. Think of this as your personal cybersecurity guide, built to be simple, actionable, surprisingly fun. Here's the plan. First, spotting suspicious activity. Your computer is like a house. If the lights flicker, the door locks change. A window's open when you didn't touch it. Yeah, that's weird. We'll learn the digital versions of those clues. Unexpected pop-ups, mystery logins, odd charges, devices you don't recognize on your Wi-Fi. Privacy next. Cookies track you like glitter at a craft party. It sticks to everything. I'll show you how to manage cookies, clear trackers, and use privacy settings that don't break your favorite sites. Now, defense basics. Strong, unique passwords, plus a password manager. Instant upgrade. Turn on two-factor authentication, so a stolen password isn't a golden ticket. Keep your phone and laptop updated. Patches are like seat belts for software. Stopping malware before it bites. Don't click sketchy links, even if the email looks legit. Hover to preview URLs, verify senders. When in doubt, type the site directly. Use reputable antivirus and set weekly scans. And yes, back up your files automatically. Cloud backups, external drive backups, so you're ransomware proof. Common threats you'll beat after a few videos. Phishing, fake support calls, coffee shop Wi-Fi traps, too good to be true giveaways. I'll give you 10-second habits you can do daily, plus monthly checkups that take less time than making coffee. The goal isn't paranoia, it's confidence. Browse, shop, and post without that uh-oh feeling. Cybersecurity is everyone's right, and with the right playbook, it's easier than you think. Coming soon, tools that put this on autopilot. If you want genuine, effective protection on day one, contact us now and you'll be first to benefit. Stop the hack, start smart, let's lock it in.